To download and install Warzone 3 on a PC or laptop for free, start by opening a browser and navigating to the official Call of Duty website. From the top menu, hover over Games and select Call of Duty Warzone. Scroll down and click on Play Free Now, where you'll see several options to play the game, including on PlayStation, Xbox, or through Steam. For this installation, Battle.net, the official launcher for Warzone 3, will be used. Select Battle.net, and the Call of Duty setup file will begin downloading. Save the file to your computer. Then open it to start the installation process. If prompted, allow the app to make changes to your device. The installation will then download the Battle.net launcher. Note that the game's branding may be inconsistent, with some references to Warzone 2 or Call of Duty Warzone. But this tutorial will result in the latest version of the game being installed. Once the launcher is installed, log in to your existing Battle.net account or create a new one for free. Review and agree to the terms. Then proceed with the installation. Ensure that Warzone 2.0 and the base game are selected. Despite the branding inconsistencies, the installation is over 80 gigabytes. So be patient. Once the download and installation are complete, open the Battle.net launcher. Select Play, and the game will launch. From there, navigate to the HQ tab. Choose the desired Warzone game, and start playing. The entire process will result in Warzone 3 being successfully downloaded and installed on your PC or laptop.